Hey everyone, what's up? It's Mudasir here, and today I'm going to show you the newest version of Universal Web Scraper to scrap data from any website. In this video, you will see how I have extracted this data from different websites by using this tool. So this is the tool that I have developed. I am a full stack developer and I also provide my web automation and data scraping services here. Feel free to contact me if you have any custom projects. Now I am going to explain all of its features and how to use this tool to extract emails, phone numbers and all social links from any website. To run this tool, I'll send this zip folder to you. You will have to first extract it and after that you will just have to run this exe file. Well, today I have a list of around 300 different website links that we will be scraping in this video. Just simple copy these links and paste here. Okay, and I have also opened some websites. The tool will be scraping this kind of contact information from any company website. Same here as and here. Okay. Once you put all of your desired website links, before starting, go in the options to choose your desired data columns. I am choosing all, and these are some additional features. I explain them later in the video. Just click start button. Okay, it is scraping the data. To count the number of rows, right click at any column name and click on show footer, and on the footer choose count from over here. And the tool is scraping emails from home pages of websites. If we enable this option, then the tool will be scraping from the sub pages like contact page or social links. And this option is to save data in the database. SQLite database system is integrated with this tool. Let me show you. Here, the data is saving here as well. We can delete all the scrap data from the database by using this tool. Just click this button and apply it, then the data will be erased. Okay, so this is the database and this is email notification system. All you need is to just type your email here and choose your desired time interval. I am choosing this one. Okay, now it will notify me once it gets completed. And as we are scraping around 300 website links, to save our time, I am going to make the video 2x faster, and after that we will see the results and I will show you how to export this scrap data into Excel file. Okay, the scrapping process is near to be completed. Now it has exported all the data. Now I show you where it has exported the data. It is showing message all websites data have been scrapped and exported successfully. It exports data in this folder named with the current date and time. Okay, this is exported data. Okay, and the data is saved here as well in the database. Now I show you how to export this data manually. Click export button and specify your output location. I am choosing my desktop and type your file name here like my file and choose your desired output format. I am choosing this one and this option will open the file after exporting. Confirm it. Okay, it has opened the file. So this is our scrap data file. We can further edit this file. Let me show you how. Okay, our file is ready for use. Okay, and we has also enabled email notification system. Now I show you how it notifies. Okay, we have got the email and it is showing that it has scrapped 307 records and the application name. Okay, so this is our tool, and if you want to get this tool or have any questions, feel free to contact me. The contact details are provided in the description. That's all. Thanks for your time watching this video, and please subscribe to my channel to stay updated with our new upcoming tools and their updates. Thank you very much. Take care. Bye bye.